Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I was a little bit inactive on YouTube because I had my university exams, but now everything is sorted. Currently, I am on my vacations. So I am going to tell you about ICSE and IC results 2022. How will the answer sheets be evaluated, the result date, whether you will get semester 2 marks separately or you will get all these marks combined. How will you calculate your percentage? So this video is going to be very important if you want to know how your results will be declared. Let's begin with point number 1, that is evaluation of answer sheets. So your answer sheets will be evaluated by step marking. And as you know, if you've written correct points, you've written everything perfect, then you will get full marks. And scaling is an option when students are not passing. Scenario may be when you've not written anything in your answer sheet or you've not submitted the project work. That may be the case when you are failing your board examination. Otherwise, it is very difficult to fail board examination. Next is result date. It is expected that ICSE results will be declared by third week of July. And for ISC, this will be a little later, just because ISC ended their examination by 18th of May. So ISC students can expect their results by the end week of July or maybe the starting of August. Okay. Now the third point is, will you get separate marks for semester 2 examination? Will project marks be displayed in your screen? No. They will only display the marks out of 100. ISC or ICSE board never tells you your marks, your project marks, and so you'll get your marks out of 100. The percentage calculation procedure is same as it was before. You will have to add your English marks plus top 4. And for ISC, it will be English plus top 3. So here, for ICSE, it will be divided by 5. And for ISC, it will be divided by 4. And that is how you calculate your percentage. English is to be included while calculating your top 5 or top 4 percentage. Just brief you about the percentage calculation so that you can know how to calculate your 10 percentage. Alright, since IC students know it, they've already calculated percentage in 10th grade. Suppose this is a 10th student. He or she scored 94 in English, 99 in maths, and for PCB, you'll get this combined marks. That is the average marks. The score is 95. And then for HCG, History, Civics, Geography, the average of both of these subjects, it is 98. Then Hindi is 100. Computer Science is 99. So you'll have to include English marks and then rest of the top 4 subjects. That is Hindi, Maths, Computer Science, and History, Civics, Geography. Here, Science is not included in the top 5 percentage calculation. So we will add all these marks, 94 plus 100 plus 99 plus 99 plus 98. That will be equal to 490 and you will have to divide it by 5. So the percentage is 98. Okay. 98%. Okay. Thank you for watching this video. In case you are new to my channel, please subscribe it. I'll be uploading more videos for ICSE and ISC board, and I'll be guiding you for 12th grade also in case you are new, and 10th. All the best for your future. Bye.